Hey, Mr. Arkad here, and in this video, I'm going to look at an interview type question. I was looking through Leet Code this morning, and they had a question where you had to return the indices of an array if the two numbers in the array added up to this target sum, and you were to assume there was only one solution. Okay, so the problem sort of resembled this. So let's say you have an array of numbers, and let's just come up with some numbers here, like 1, 4, 5, 7, something like that. And then you had a target number of, I don't know, 8. Then what would happen is you would want this function, which was saved under variable, you'd want it to return numbers, or you don't want it to return, sorry, you want it to return 0 and 3, because numbers at the 0 position is 1, and numbers at the 1, 2, 3 position is 7. So 1 plus 7 equals 8. Okay, so that was the problem. Now I thought I'd make it a little bit harder by making it 3 numbers. And I haven't done this, but I thought about, full disclosure, I thought about it a little bit on the way to Dunkin' Donuts this morning. So I'm going to see if I can do it. Just because. And now this was an easy level problem. So we'll see. All right, so let's let, I don't know, we'll call it numbers function. I still haven't had my coffee yet. Numbers function equal a function that takes in numbers and the target number. Okay. And it's going to return that array. Okay, so I'm going to have a return array. I'm really not being creative this morning. So it's going to return array. All right, and we have that numbers that we bring in, and let's see if we can get it to work with 2 numbers first. So, all right, so I'm going to start a for loop. And I is going to start at 0, and I is going to be less than the numbers array dot length. And then we're going to increment I as we go up. Okay, and then what we're going to do is we're going to take the target number. We're going to have some kind of variable that we're going to have up here. So we'll call it the difference. Okay, so down here, we're going to have the difference. Let's have that equal to the target number minus numbers at the I position. Okay, so whatever that is. Okay, so then I'm going to have an if statement. So if, we'll do another for loop. So for, let's let x equal 0. X is less than the numbers dot length. X increments up. For that, if difference, let me do my spacing a little bit better here. If difference triple equals, we're going to say numbers dot x, or numbers at the x position. Then what I want to do is I want to first I want to take the return array and push the difference in. And then what I want to do is we have to have another number. Oh no, we can just then, yeah, we'll just take the return array and push numbers dot x. Oh no, we want to push x. Oh, and up here, so the difference is going to be a number. So we don't want to push the difference in. We want to push the indices in. So we want to no, that's not what we're going to do. We're going to push in numbers.I, or just I, actually. Okay. Again, I haven't had a ton of coffee this morning. Okay, so we're going to go out of here, and then we'll return the return array. Let's see if this works, and then we'll console log the return array. Okay, let's write that. Now I have this linked in here to just HTML file at the bottom. So yeah, so we're console logging that, so it should appear if we open this in the browser. I get through my files. Okay, let's view it. All right, and let's view the developer tools. And I have an error at line 8. Well, that's not good. Oh yeah. Hey. You got to put a semicolon, not a comma. Unexpected token at JavaScript line 10. Did the same thing twice. All right. Return array is not defined at JavaScript line 20. Oh, that's why. Because we're not returning return array. I am not awake. We're console logging the numbers function. Okay, let's try it now. Okay. Oh, and we have to actually put something into the function. Wow. Yeah. All right. So it should return 0 and 3, which it did. And then 1, 1, and 3, and 0. Okay, so let's see if I can break out of the loop if this happens. Try that. No. Well, I'm gonna. Let's say and stop variable doesn't equal stop. All right. Well, it's good that this problem is a bit challenging for me on a low coffee morning. So stop variable equals stop. Okay. And I did it. All right. Well, thanks for bearing with me on that one. So I got 0 and 3. That works. Let's change it up a little bit. Probably, since if I did that on a whiteboard, I wouldn't have gone so well. Anyways, let's do 9 and 12 and return 13. No, let's return 16. No, there's 2 ways you can return 16. Let's let it equal 12, because then it would have to get 5 and 7, right? So it should console log. This will be indice 2 and indice 3. So let's 2 and 3. Okay, so it's working with 2 variables now. Getting some coffee. Let's do return 3 indices that add to a target number. So let's do what should I do my target number? Let's do 1, 5, and 12. So that'll be 18. Yeah. Okay, so we'll make it 18. I'm gonna, let's see, take this stuff out. And so we got to have another stop. We'll keep the same stop variable. So probably need another difference. Okay, so we'll have a difference 2. Okay, so difference 2, let's say, we'll have difference 2 equals the target number minus numbers in the x position. And then if, oh no, we got to do another for loop. For let y equals 0, y is less than numbers dot length. I did the semicolon that time. See, that's good. I'm learning. Y plus plus. So we're incrementing it. We're going to have to do a check. So so if, this might not work, difference 2 equals numbers in the y position, and the stop variable doesn't equal stop, then we're going to say we're going to return the array and push the value of I at that point. We'll return the array and push the value of x at that point. We'll return the array and push the value of y at that point, and then we will set the stop variable equal to stop. So I got 4, 4, and 4. So it didn't quite work. So 4, 4, and 4. So something is incorrect with my logic, because that would be 21. No, that would be, we got 9 and 9. So we got 18 in the fourth position here, 9 and 9, and then we got it again. So, all right. I'm going to take that out. All right. So difference 2 is going to be the target number minus the numbers I. So okay, so that's the difference. Okay, so you got numbers I. Then difference 2 is going to be the difference minus numbers X. So yeah. Okay. Now I think it might work. So 0, 2, and 5. So 1, 5. That does work. That adds to 18. Okay, so there were more than one way to add to 18, right? Yeah, because the 0 indice, or was that the right answer? Let's see. Oh, you could add 4, 5, and 9. All right, let's change this and make this 10. And let's have it add to, I have 3 numbers, 21. So I should get 1, 3, and 4. 0, 4, and 4. Okay, so it's taking the same value twice. So we have to eliminate that. Okay. 0, 4, and 4. Yeah, that would work. Wait a minute. How did I add to 21 here? I wanted 10, 7, and 4. Okay, so we'll probably have to add another and here. And difference does not equal difference 2. No. And I want to say and I does not equal x, and x does not equal y, and oops, I'm going to give a space there, and I does not equal y. I think that will do it. Let's see. 1, 2, and 5. Okay, so 1, 2, that gives me 9, plus 5. Okay, because I gave 2 solutions. Yeah. That does work, and it should work for the first one going through. So there's got to be only one solution to this. So oh, that would still be 22. Let's make this 17 and make it 31. That should be 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 4, and 17. If we make it 31. I think that'll 1, 4, and 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so now it's working for 3, returning 3 indices. Anyways, interesting problem. I kind of expanded on a problem I saw in Leet Code. I might sign up for that. That seems pretty cool. By the way, if you're watching, I am not yet trying to get into a big company like a Fang or anything like that, but I am looking for a web development job. So if you are interested, you can contact me. I'll leave my contact email in the description below. And thank you for watching, and have a great day. Also, remember to like and subscribe to the channel, as it really helps it grow. Thanks for watching.